welcome to our channel Destination
Australia.
To watch more exciting videos, subscribe to Destination Australia and press the bell icon.
So today we are going to have unboxing of Samsung Odyssey CRG9 49. So this is 49-inch curved monitor and it's been promoted as a gaming monitor by Samsung. And so let's unbox it.
Yay! Yes. So this is our Samsung 49-inch Odyssey. And what was the code name?
CRG9.
Cool.
And definitely we'll show the video once we'll start that and connect it to our laptops.
Yes, we are going to show the screen resolution and all this stuff.
Yes. So this is again 5K Odyssey G9 CRG9 49-inch. So
QLED.
and the resolution is 5120 by 1440.